Why is being unique not so unique at ASML? Well, for starters, its workforce exists of over 32,000 people with more than 100 different nationalities. So what is it like to be part of ASML's world? Let's ask Jen-Hsuan. She moved from Taiwan to the Netherlands. And after she obtained her PhD at Twente University, she joined ASML in 2017. Since then, she got to know many aspects of the company and learn a lot about herself. Hey, Jen-Hsuan.
Hi, Mark.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Shall we go check out the campus?
Yeah, let's go.
So, you started working here in 2017.
Yeah.
What is it like to start working at a company in the Netherlands?
ASML to me is a Dutch but also multinational company.
Yeah.
When I started, I was the only woman and the only person who didn't speak Dutch. That was quite unique considering ASML's high, diverse and multinational workforce.
Yeah.
But over the past few years, the team and I grew together in seeing the added value of different backgrounds and perspectives, and we feel very proud of that.
Yeah, so there's a big added value with having people from so many different backgrounds. How does ASML support that added value?
ASML supports addressing topics such as diversity and inclusion. And this work environment also encourages you to take a step forward if you see an opportunity. Your gender, cultural background, or age should not matter.
No, that's great.
Yeah.
And what step forward did you take?
I myself also made a not so obvious career move. I moved from RD to sales and customer management. And I feel that my different backgrounds include engineer backgrounds, Taiwanese cultural background, and Dutch living experience helps me in this complex work environment.
Yeah, what a benefit.
Yes.
Shall we go have a seat somewhere?
Yeah, let's go.
So you found your way to a new department and a new function within the company. Are there any other activities at ASML that you're also part of?
Yeah, I'm also part of Proud ASML. ASML has various DNI networks for various topics. Proud ASML is the one to support and unite LGBTQ+ community. Our goal is to ensure a great and safe workplace for people, including LGBTQ community.
How can Proud at ASML help ASML?
We believe that diverse views and perspectives help us to challenge each other, to create new solutions, new ideas. And it's very critical for us because ASML is facing the most challenging technology problems. And to solve these challenges, we do need to embrace diverse ideas and individuals.
What are you most proud of at ASML?
I'm really proud of ASML, the way it tackles problems, issues, and challenges. Because ASML learns diversity and inclusion every day. ASML is the most unique company in the broadest sense of the word. And because its people defines the company.
Thank you so much for your insights. Beautiful to hear how you're making such a difference at the company and that you're so proud to be working at ASML. Would you like to learn more about what makes people proud of ASML? Check out the other videos as well.